In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trade in MT5. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the order window, set your trade details with confidence, and place a buy or sell using MetaTrader 5. The flow is almost identical on desktop and mobile, so follow along on whichever you use. First, open MetaTrader 5 and log into your trading account. On desktop, look to the left panel called Market Watch. This is where you see the list of tradable symbols, like currency pairs and metals. Find the asset you want to trade, say EURUSD or XAUUSD. Then right-click it and choose New Order. If you prefer shortcuts, pressing F9 also brings up the order window. On mobile, the idea is the same. Open your symbols list, tap the asset you want, and select New Order or Trade. With the order window open, take a moment to check each setting before you click anything. Start with symbol. Make sure it matches the asset you actually want to trade. Next is volume, which is your lot size. If you're new, consider starting small, like 0.01 lots, to keep risk manageable while you learn how position sizing affects your account. Now set your stop loss. This is the safety net that automatically closes your trade if price moves against you. Place it at a logical level based on your analysis, not just a random number. Then set your take profit, the price level where your trade will automatically close in profit if the market reaches your target. You can always adjust SL and TP later, but it's smart to plan them before entering. Under type, choose how you want to enter. Market execution opens the trade immediately at the current price, which is useful when you want in right now. Pending order tells MT5 to open the trade later at a specific price level, helpful if you're waiting for price to reach a level you've identified. Pick the option that fits your plan. When everything looks correct, decide on direction. Click Buy if you expect price to rise, or click Sell if you expect it to fall. Keep an eye on the spread and volatility, especially around news, since both can affect your fill price. After you place the order, switch to the Trade tab at the bottom in the toolbox or terminal. You'll see your open position there, along with its current profit or loss, and your stop loss and take profit levels. That's it. The basic, reliable way to place a trade in MT5. Practice on a demo first, double-check your details, and stick to your plan.